Hi guys, this week I'm going to be talking about Me and My Shadow for App or Tool of the Week. It's this nifty website that talks about how everything we do online and on our phones is collecting data and information about us, and everything we do leaves a trail. So when we're using the GPS and visiting different websites, and when we're logging into Wi-Fi, all of that kind of stuff is actually tracking information about us. So this website is pretty interesting. You can actually look, they've simplified the terms and conditions for a lot of the popular social media sites so that you can see like really what you've agreed to when you signed up for them, which is really kind of neat. So Instagram, I'll show you quickly. These are the terms and conditions, but then if you click reveal, it pulls out key information and makes it easier to kind of understand. So then in addition to that, you can, wrong one. You can also calculate your own trail of the things that the information you're leaving behind. So you can check off different tools. So computers, internet access at home, in the office, internet cafe. And while you're doing this, it's showing you local traces, network traces. So, phone networks, device names, log on router, and at the same time, it's calculating your results on the right-hand side. I think this tool can be used in the classroom to kind of give a visual to students and show them how much of what they do is actually creating information about them, but it's not information that we can't like see or even pretty much touch. This can also be used, it's kind of a cool tool to use personally to see like how much of what you're doing is out there, and then also in a professional sense to make sure that you're not putting anything out there that maybe shouldn't be out there, which is kind of neat. So if I use all, if I click everything that I actually use, it's kind of scary. My results are 140 total traces. So then it'll break it down and it'll explain what each of these means. So that is the app of the week that I have chosen. I think you guys should check it out. Try out your own, try to calculate your own trace and see how much you're using or how much is being put out there. It's kind of interesting and also kind of startling at the same time. All right, thanks.